Hello, and welcome back to OMLES. Last time, Domino won immunity, and only one contestant will be eliminated. Who will it be? Find out in this episode of OMLES! Alright, if I call you out your name, you're going to be erased. Eagle Bin, you're safe with 0 votes. Orange Circle is also safe with 0 votes. Red Pixel got 0 votes. I mean, he actually got 1 vote. Freedom Island logo. Tootsie Pop Boy. One of you will be eliminated. The person eliminated with 2 votes is Tootsie Pop Boy. Yay. Are you fucking seriously? Oh no, I'm eliminated. Oh no. That was a funny scene. But anyway, the next challenge is to run. Domino wins immunity. Again.
Yay, I won! Thanks a lot, Jake!